Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the same chapter number 6. Today I will discuss about the topic 6.7, making of magnets, on the page number 80. So what is that? Let's see. A magnetic material like an iron clip or a needle can be made to exhibit the properties of a magnet or behave like a magnet by a process called magnetization. So what is magnetization? It is a process of imparting magnetism. So what is that? That the iron clip behaves like a magnet. So this process is called the magnetization. Let's see. The magnetic material that can be magnetized are iron, cobalt, nickel and their alloys. Non-magnetic material cannot be magnetized. Non-magnetic material like glass, wood, plastic, it cannot be magnetized. Only magnetic material can be magnetized. There are various methods to magnetize a material, such as number 1, induction method, by keeping the magnetic material close to a magnet. Second, stroke method, by rubbing a magnet over a magnetic material. Number third, electrical method, by passing electric current around a magnetic material. So now I will explain these three methods with the examples. So first method, induction method. Induction method is one of the ways making magnetic material like steel and iron into magnet. It is a process of inducing magnetism in an ordinary piece of magnetic material. Let's explain it. This method involves simply placing the magnetic material, soft iron, close to a strong magnet without touching. Second, the soft iron bar becomes an induced magnet with the end nearer the magnet having opposite polarity like north and south. Okay, opposite poles are what they will attract with each other. Opposite polarity to that of the magnet. Induced magnetism is a temporary process. If the permanent magnet is removed, what will happen? The magnetic material will lose its induced magnetism. Now I will discuss this figure 6.14, induction method of magnetization. So this is what? This is a strong magnet which having the north and south poles. Okay, and these are the iron clips, soft iron. So what will happen? So you can observe, here is north, there is a opposite polarity, here is south, then north, south. When you will observe iron clips get magnetizing by the induction method. Here is induced. Induction method is occur. And when you remove this magnet, strong magnet, what will happen? So what will happen? Then this induction is also removed. That means it will lose its induced magnetism. So this is the induction method. Now second method, stroke method. A very simple way to magnetize a piece of iron, magnetic material, is by rubbing a magnet over the iron bar from one end to another repeatedly as given in activity. By this method, an iron nail, a needle or a blade can be converted into a magnet. So this method of making a magnet is called the stroke method. So I will discuss in this activity how it works. Let's see. To make a magnet using the stroke method, take an iron bar to be magnetized and place on a tabletop. You can see this figure 6.15, stroke method of magnetizing an iron bar. So this is a piece of iron bar. Now touch one end of a bar magnet, say north pole, to the iron bar and rub it along the length of the iron bar from one end to other continuously. So that means you will direction of stroke is in one direction. So don't change the direction. Let's see. Repeat it 40 times in the same direction with the same pole of the magnets. So this is the instruction. What you will do, repeat it 40 times, at least minimum 40 times in the same direction with the same pole of the magnet. Same pole means like north. If you start with the north, then you will use at the end 40 times north pole. If you start with the south pole, that means you will take the south pole. Now test the iron bar by bringing end A of the iron bar near the north pole of a freely hanging magnet. What we will observe after this? You will observe that the two ends repel each other. This shows that the iron bar has become a magnet because only in magnet like poles repels each other. So what is the important note regarding this activity? The magnetic pole produced in the iron bar where you lift the bar magnet is always opposite to the pole of the bar magnet touching it. Same pole of bar magnet should be used for each stroke. Magnetic material should be stroked in the same direction. Already I have discussed in this point, when you repeat it 40 times, it should be in the same direction and always use the same pole of the magnets. Then it will show the property of the stroke methods. So stroke method is what? A very simple way to magnetize a piece of iron is by rubbing a magnet over the iron bar from one end to another repeatedly. So this will show this method of making a magnet is called the stroke method. And what will happen? You will see that if you use the iron nail, it will be converted into a magnet.